Namaskar, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan. The series of videos on Vindhyachal as well as Ma Vindhyavasini Devi, which was started earlier, this is the second video in that series. In the first video, we have given introduction of Divine Mother Ma Vindhyavasini. If you haven't seen the video, please go through it. It will be knowledge enhancing. The most competent hero of the human history, Bhagwan Ram, who had crushed the colonial government of those times, established by the demon king Ravana, with the help of most common people, tribes of the India, Vanar, Bhalluk, and he created such a stamp on human civilization that still he is being worshipped not only in India but around the globe in many countries, and the stories and myths related to him are told and enjoyed by the whole human civilization even after thousands of years. You might be surprised why I am describing Bhagwan Ram today when this series is about the Ma Vindhyavasini and Vindhyachal. I am describing that the superhero of human history, Bhagwan Ram, with a purpose. Because when Bhagwan Ram was exiled for 14 years on the request of Mother Kaikeyi and ordained by King Dasrath, he had visited this place, Ma Vindhyavasini place, Vindhyachal place, and he had done sadhana of Ma Vindhyavasini for the well-being of him as well as the humanity. And as is the tradition, the great men of India who did sadhana, tapas and penas at Ma Vindhyavasini never disclosed this. And if you have read Siddha Kunjika Strot, the Bhagwan Shiva requests Ma Parvati, his better half, to not to disclose the sadhana of the divine energies, just like he tells very profound, in a very profound manner, that as you conceal your sexual organ and do not place it in open, in the same manner you should conceal the sadhana of divine energies. And when Lord Shiva, Bhagwan Shiva was telling this, he was not telling only the Parvati, he was telling for the whole devotees, generations of devotees to come even in this period. So in that tradition, Bhagwan Ram also did not disclose the sadhana, even journey to the Ma Vindhyavasini place or Vindhyachal. But the places connected with him are still come before us in a very pious and humble way. The first place related to Bhagwan Ram is Rameshwar Mahadev. This place is just 1 or 2 kilometers away from Ma Vindhyavasini temple, and this is the very ancient temple of Bhagwan Shiva. The Shivlinga, the most profound symbol of Lord Shiva, is there, which has been created by the Bhagwan Ram. And the memory of Bhagwan Ram, it is named Rameshwar Mahadev. You must have heard about the Rameshwaram, which was also established, created by the Bhagwan Ram. This is also the Rameshwar Mahadev, and very pious and very energetic Shivlingam. This Shivlingam is very historical, worshipped by Bhagwan Ram. That's why it is called Rameshwar Mahadev. So if you are visiting Ma Vindhyavasini temple, Vindhyachal, try to visit this Shiv Mandir. You may ask any person, where is Rameshwar Mahadev? The vicinity is known as Shivapura, and it is very powerful Shivlingam for doing any sadhana, Mahamrityunjaya sadhana. We should visit. And the second place related to Bhagwan Ram is Ram Gaya Ghat. This is on the bank of Ma Ganga, very near to the Tara Shakti Peeth. Tara Shakti Peeth is very prevalent for Tantra practices. I have also done some sadhana at that place. This is very powerful, and just in the vicinity of Ma Tara temple, there is Ram Gaya Ghat. When the Bhagwan Ram heard the untimely death of his father, King Dasarath, he offered tarpan or shraddha or shraddh to his father at this place, because he was not having anything at that time. He took the sand from the banks of the Ganga and made the pinda, the symbolic piece of offering to our ancestors. Pinda he made only from the sand and offered to his ancestors, especially to Maharaj Dasarath. So this place is also very historical. Even today, in the fortnight of Shraddha, when it is also called Kanagat, when sun is in Virgo zodiac sign, people gather here to offer tarpad and their feelings towards their ancestors and Pitar. So this is also historical place related to Bhagwan Ram. The third place related to Bhagwan Ram and his visit to this place, Vindhyachal, is Sita Kund. This is the place where you can find, even in the most heated, most hot days, the incessant stream of water is coming. It is Sita Kund. Here Ma Sita, along with her better half Bhagwan Ram and Lakshmana, stayed there, and there is a place called Sita Rasoi, means kitchen of Ma Sita. It is supposed that Ma Sita used to cook food here and they used to eat food at Sita Kund. But as per my research, the Sita Rasoi actually is somewhere else, and I will disclose in some other video. But they took, as per astrological parameters and Vastu parameters, they used to have food, cooked food at the Sita Kund. Ma Sita must have taken bath here. They must have stayed there while Bhagwan Ram was doing sadhana of Ma Vindhyasini. So this is also very pious place, and you should visit there for getting a lot of punya. Moreover, all these three places are historical. They are part of a great history. As an Indian, as a Hindu, and the best as a human, the person, superhero of the human history who created the biggest trump on the human history, stayed there, visited there. These are historical places you should not miss, and these are part of the journey of Bhagwan Ram from Ayodhya to Sri Lanka. So do not forget to visit these places related to Bhagwan Ram. This is part of the Ram Path Van Gaman, Ram Van Path Gaman, the passage through which Ram went into forest or exile. Namaskar. The infinite blessings of Ma Vindhyasini fall upon you and all. Namaskar.